NBC29 forecast.
Well, with the winter we've experienced so far, and certainly the temperatures we've seen so far this month, it's not quite unusual to see what we see here, and that's daffodils. We've got crocus out, we've got flowering plants, and we've got all kinds of things greening up because of the response to the warm temperatures. Kathy Lehman captured that shot there in Batesville today, and here's a beautiful shot of the sunset this evening captured by Jim Carpenter. Those are high cirrus clouds. We've had a lot of cloudiness throughout the day. Those clouds are trying to thin out, but we'll call it variably cloudy here for tonight. 59 is the current reading. Checked in at 65 for high today at the airport. It has been breezy at times. The air mass is fairly dry, and we could still run the risk of a sprinkle or a shower, but most of that activity is either south or west of the region. 50 currently at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touched 59 for a daytime high today. Some other readings, 55 in Orange, same there in Palmyra. We've got 54 in Livingston, 53 in Waynesboro, 54 currently in Harrisonburg. And here's a review of the last several hours with the satellite and radar combination. Again, a few sprinkles, a light shower across Southside Virginia. You can see how the clouds have kind of thinned out a little bit more farther to the north, especially north of I-64. But as we go through tonight, variably cloudy and maybe that stray sprinkle or a shower. Most of it's dry. As we take a look at our temperatures here for tonight, most of us will settle into the mid, some lower 40s. But tomorrow, temperatures widespread in the 60s, but our headline is the wind. A cold front comes through late morning, midday hours, and our winds will shift out of the west, and that's going to really increase during the day. It's going to drive the temperatures up, but here's a snapshot in the morning. Yeah, a little bit breezy, but right down windy by the afternoon with gusts over 30, 40 miles an hour. We're likely to see some wind advisories for the higher terrain and the Shenandoah Valley, if not parts of the Piedmont. So again, with that type of wind, the conditions that we're seeing now and a downsloping wind off the mountains, that dries things out. So we have a high fire danger for tomorrow. Don't burn anything outdoors. Of course, we're in the spring fire season. We've got 60s here for your Tuesday. Chance of a shower on Wednesday morning. Otherwise, it's a cooler day, but a lot of cloud cover. And then we jump right into late May here on Thursday. That'll be the warmest we've seen since November. So again, that's what we've got in store here for the next couple of days. We've got a little disturbance passing off to our south. Cold fronts out to the west. That swings through midday tomorrow. Big storminess trying to get going here across the west. This is really going to be an active story here as the storm pulls through the Rockies up across the upper Midwest. Some heavy snows, blizzard conditions. Eventually some of that moisture will streak east, but we're going to remain on the warm side of things. There's just the leading edge of some frigid air, but again, basically the battle line between the cold and the warmth this week is well to our north and west, and we remain on the mild side of things, certainly making it feel like well into spring. So here we are tonight into tomorrow, variably cloudy skies. In the morning we start in the 40s, afternoon highs with windy conditions well in the 60s, and then maybe a few showers, very light in nature Wednesday morning. We'll hold on to the cloud cover. We're in the 50s, and again, get ready for the temperatures plus or minus 80 by Thursday. 40s tonight, variable clouds. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Some big temperature swings this week, and we're all over the map in terms of months and what it feels like. So by Thursday, that's the headline here. Temperatures like late May. Will cool down on Friday, chilly on Saturday with some chilly rain, maybe a little bit of wintry mix, but right now nothing to get too excited about.
So wait, summer, spring, and
We're
winter.
packing it all in there, I tell you.
All week.
Thanks, Eric.
Thank you. We'll be right back.